about that is that it speaks to people.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here at 5820 at Monroe Apartments. Now, before y'all start to say anything, it didn't look like this online. No, I'm joking. Y'all, we're going to go in here, we're going to check it out. Before we judge, we're going to at least give them a chance, okay? We listen and we don't judge. In this case, we watch and we don't judge until after we go in the inside of this apartment and we see what this thing has to offer. Look, they trying to pressure wash this thing and keep up with it. But yeah, it's definitely a little sketch. I ain't gonna lie, definitely a little sketch. Listen, Katie definitely I definitely got my running shoes on today. I'm just saying, if I have to take off, I most certainly will. Even the Amazon driver like, where am I right now? But anyway, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna check out a 1-bedroom today. All right, let's go. Just met a lovely couple, but yeah. Again, y'all, we listen and we don't just cats. Ain't got nothing to eat for you, brother. All right, we gonna see. All right. All right, here we go. I'm a little bit late. It looked like they got some. Let's see, lifeguards. So is this a pool? Coming up on a pool in a soccer. That's for soccer? Okay. Interesting. All right. 4 feet. 7. This pool goes up to 9 feet. Now you don't see that too often. Come on, y'all. 9 feet pool. Starts at 3, goes to 9. You can actually. It ain't no diving though. Interesting. And then on the opposite side, they have like a little place where you can get your soccer on. All right. Again, we're going to see what this thing has to offer. All right. Here is the leasing office. We parked up there.
Sorry, I was just coming in to open the unit. I haven't had a chance.
Okay.
But come on in.
All right.
This side.
Got the living room right here. Okay. So this is like the dining room right here. Okay. All right. Got the kitchen right here. Well, what the hell? This would be the. All right, got a little space in here. Got a little space in the bedroom. Look at that. Oh, come on, somebody. All right. Got the wall. Settle out the window over there. All right, got closet right here. I think we got 2 closets. Closet right here. Carpet all throughout.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Run.
It's time to go. It's time to go. I'm gonna hurry up and do the rest of it. It's time to go. Oh, heck no. Heck no. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I apologize, but yeah, that's crazy. Oh my God. I cannot believe what I just seen. Is it? Y'all got spiders too. Oh heck no, it's time to go. It is time to go. Yeah, it's about to be short. One bath, 689 square feet. Got the free weights and the bike. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Got the little IMAX over there. Hey man, look at this. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, even though I wasn't a huge fan of what we seen, I wanted to make sure you guys at least had the opportunity to see, you know, the rest of the spot, you know. I'm definitely gonna give my thoughts in just a second. I'm literally walking fast. What they say, I got something to say. I got something to say. So I want to talk about the pros first, all right? Pros first. Right here, you have a full, it looks like a full soccer court type of thing. Now, this is hard. This is not turf or anything like that. Just wanted to point that out. Again, the pool goes all the way up to 9 feet. You never see anything like that. 9 feet? That's crazy. And then you have a little spot where the kiddos can, you know, play, enjoy themselves or whatnot. But I think that's about it. And also the price. The price, you know, you did hear the amenities, all the amenities added, which is roughly like $49, I think she said. So the 1 bedroom, 1 bath, if you guys are interested in that thing, it's $1,050. And then, of course, again, you got the amenities and everything else. Now, let's talk about it. All right. I seen bugs. And y'all, homie don't play that. Homie, and that is in the inside of the unit that y'all are showing people. Man, I'm going to have to shake out all my clothes before I get back in my car. This right here is an automatic no-no. Absolutely, positively not. Listen, I'm all for that. We look, we give things a chance and we don't judge. But after seeing something like that, man, no lie, y'all, my freaking flesh is crawling right now, bro. Oh my goodness. And it wasn't just one. It was like 4 or 5 of them doggone things. Like, yo, bro, like I almost shut that doggone door. I almost took my shoe off and started. That was crazy, bro. Yeah, but I am like all over the place right now. Like coming into the spot, I mean, I kind of already figured we're gonna be dealing with something, right? But never in a million years that I think it was gonna be like a bug. I feel like that's infestation. The fact that this is a renovated or a unit that you're showing, but you got not just one, but they're all crawling around. What the heck is going on? What are we doing? I gotta get the heck up out of here, bro. Even for $1,000, listen, that apartment can be $500, and I still wouldn't recommend it. Nah, dog, trust and believe. Because the thing about those type of bugs, man, it is damn near impossible to get rid of them things. They multiply. I'm talking about them things don't play no games, bro. I've seen infestation wars. I've seen them doggone people that are hoarders. It's almost impossible. Them things get into everywhere. Oh. But man, y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments? If y'all want me to send y'all the link, if that's something that y'all interested in, just let me know. Let me know. We can definitely get y'all into. We can get y'all in. You know what? I would not mind if y'all put LKD. Put LKD down in the comment section, because this was definitely an L. This was by far the worst place we have toured thus far. All right. Anyway, until the next time, man, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.